हेलो एंड वेलकम वंस अगेन एस त्रिपाठी मैं आपको स्वागत करता हूं IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर पार्ट 1B को। मुझे बहुत अफसोस है 1 घंटे में मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाया। मुझे आधा घंटा दीजिए आप लोग। आई विल कंप्लीट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ असाइक्लिक नोमेनक्लेचर। ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं हम। Now, let me again remind you, there are 3 types of functional groups. One is type A, जिसका कोई सीनियरिटी नहीं होता है, नाइट्रो, हेलो, एल्कोक्सी, अल्किल, एल्किनिल, एल्काइनाइल and all that, phenyl, cycloalkyl, they are only used as branches or prefix. And type B groups only as suffix, in and wine. And type C groups both has prefix and suffix. Both मैंने ये कहना भूल गया था, लेकिन टेबल में मैं दिखाया था, लेकिन कहने भूल गया था। जो ये जो 12 है जिसका रैंक्स होते हैं 1 से 12 तक रैंक्स होते हैं, ये बोथ सफिक्स मदर के टाइटल के साथ और एज प्रीफिक्स ब्रांचेस के तरह ये भी यूज हो पाएगा। तो लेट अस नो द रूल्स फॉर नेमिंग एनी acyclic compound containing multiple functional groups. You have to choose the longest continuous carbon chain, जिसको हम प्रिंसिपल कार्बन चेन कहेंगे। यहां जिस चेन से the principal type C group, the senior most type C group is attached. So you have to find out the longest chain in which the senior most functional group belonging to type C, 12 ranking, जो इसमें से सबसे जो highest ranking है that compound में, that has to be there in the longest chain. That should include maximum number of other type C branches. Senior most तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, लेकिन you also to make sure that longest chain is accommodating other type C groups. ठीक है, clear? Second, that the principal functional group or the senior most functional group will get the lower locant. If it is a carbon bearing functional group like aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ester, amide, acid chloride, nitrile, then by default it will be getting 1. And from there longest chain you have to find out. Longest. From there longest. And if not, then the senior most group will get the lower locant. For example, on, ketone, on, all. I mean, they should get the lower locant. And the numbering has to be initiated from the direction which will, give the senior most type C group the lower locant. I am repeating 3 times. And accepting the senior most functional group, other type C functional groups, if any, in the longest chain, in the principal carbon chain, will be appearing as children, branches, prefixes. So I used to say 1 hero or sub-zero. If there are more than 1 type C functional groups, then the senior most is the hero. The parent, the mother, will be named after that senior most functional group. And others like OH, CO for example, if there is a carboxylic acid and also a keto group, a hydroxy group, they will appear, keto and hydroxy will appear as branches. Hydroxy, oxo, 1 hero, others are zeros. But the double bond and triple bond if they are on the way of the longest carbon chain, they will appear as a suffix in primary suffix in wine, like that. Right? For example, but 2 in 1 weak acid. There is a double bond in the longest chain. So this one can be dropped because weak acid always enjoys the locant one. So you can drop but 2 in weak acid. Hex 4 in 2 on. On is the secondary suffix, is a ketone that is present in carbon number 2. And double bond is starting from carbon number 4. So hex 4 in 2 on, like that. So, and other rules, you know, branching rule, even if it contains multiple functional groups, but it should also have maximum number of branches, right? Accordingly, you have to find the longest chain. Lowest set of locants rule, alphabetic ordering of branches. And in the old rule, it was told that hero is 1, but the longest chain should go via the double bond or triple bond. Even if that is not the longest chain, you have to take up that shortest route which goes via a double bond or triple bond. आजकल वो जमाना नहीं रहा, डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वो हो या ना हो, अगर हो तो ये आ जाएगा किसमें, एक ब्रांच की तरह इसको ट्रीट किया जाएगा, ठीक है। लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, हीरो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, और सो बाढ़ में जाए, ठीक है। देन you know the multiple locants are separated by commas, and after the end of all the locants you put a hyphen, but in the beginning there is no hyphen, but subsequently you have a hyphen after the end of locants. There is no gap in between, till first to last you continue writing or small letters, no gap, excepting in few derivatives, ester, alkyl, alkanoate, there is a gap. That alkyl, there is this one gap, one space. Oic acid, there is a space. Alkanoyl chloride, one space. Alkanoic anhydride, one space. Otherwise, there is no space anywhere in between, right? Now this we have already revised. Let us try to apply our knowledge. Only one hero, others are zeros. One hero, longest chain. That is the slogan. One hero, longest chain. Now tell me, in this molecule, deliberately I have chosen such a molecule which will make your understanding absolutely fine, correct. And you have a carboxylic acid group, you have a cyanide group, CN, you have a hydroxy alcohol, you have a ketone, and you have alkoxy, out of which, and chloro, out of which alkoxy, chloro, they are type A groups having no seniority. But keto has a seniority, alcohol, hydroxy has a seniority, carboxylic is number 1 in the entire list, cyanide has a very high seniority, but below carboxylic acid. So I told you, you have to choose the senior most functional group, obviously carboxylic acid, and that is a terminal group, so number 1. By default it will get number 1. Hero is now found out. This is the hero and everything is 0. Longest chain is the norm. So taking this as 1, आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा longest chain. और सब functional groups हो जाएगा branches. Children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not a carbon chain. So oct is the word root. ठीक है? Oct. Then these become the branches. They are heroic groups. They have ranks, but in the face of carboxylic acid, ये फीका पड़ जाएंगे. फीके पड़ जाएंगे तो they will appear as branches. And this is a branch. This is a type A branch, right? So this is the main trunk of the tree, oct. And there is, in the way, there is a double bond. So the primary suffix cannot be ane, it has to be ene. And the E has to be dropped because oic acid is the secondary suffix. So let us first write down all the branches in alphabetical order. If there will be a mistake, then we can rectify later. When OH is used as a suffix, as a prefix, as a child, as a branch, then it is called, I told you it is called hydroxy. No, I haven't brought that. It is called hydroxy. It is called hydroxy. Let me bring, it was there, but I forgot to bring that. It is, yes, this is the continuation. Let us bring to this again so that it will be a ready reckoner for all of us, right? So we will keep as its continuation. ठीक है? Oh, I'm sorry. Right. Now, hydroxy. When OH comes as a prefix, as a branch, it is called hydroxy prefix. So this is hydroxy. And when keto group comes as a prefix, it becomes oxo. May it be an aldehyde, may it be a ketone. But if double bond O, that double bond O is called oxo. In any form, it is oxo. So 6-oxo, 7-methoxy. So let us write down. ठीक है? तो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डरिंग में पहले आता है साइनो, क्लोरो आता है CH. So 5-chloro, then 2-cyano. See, if there is a mistake, we can later on change. Cyano, and then hydroxy. 4-hydroxy. ठीक है? Then 7-methoxy. 7-methoxy. Then 6-oxo. These are the children gone. Children finished. Then the word root. There would be no space, but I don't have a space here. I have to write down in the second line, that is oct. And the primary suffix is ene. What is the locant of ene? 3. So oct, 3 in. This E will be dropped because आगे एक vowel है oic acid. So 1 oic acid, you can write 1 oic acid. 3 in 1 oic acid. लेकिन ये मेरा स्टाइल नहीं है. मेरा स्टाइल है, सिंस 1 इज ऑब्वियस, हमेशा 1 रहेगा कार्बोक्सिल का. सो लेट अस नॉट राइट इट, लेट अस पंच इट. इसको मिला लेंगे, हम लिखेंगे इनोइक एसिड. ठीक है? आप अलग करके लिख सकते हो इनोइक एसिड. गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड? हीरो only 1, others are zeros. Let us go to the next one. Now here I have done for you to save time. This is acid chloride, C double bond O Cl. This is aldehyde, C double bond O H. Now out of the two, there are only 2 type C groups, and this is senior. You can have a look. You know, this acid chloride here, acid chloride, it should come later. No, yes. Okay, let us delete this slide. Well, if yes, what I was saying to you is, if these are the 2 groups, oil chloride and aldehyde al, but out of the 2, the acid chloride has a higher rank. You can check it. Beginners should always refer to the table. Once you acquaint yourself, काफ़ी जब आपका प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा तो आपका याद में वो सब रह जाएगा. That is for sure. Now, acid chloride has a higher rank than aldehyde. Aldehyde has a much lower rank. So, the hero in this group is acid chloride, oil chloride. And this is a zero, a branch. Hero is 1, so this is a terminal group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 5. We ignore just a branch. This is just a branch. So longest chain is the norm. So 4 में aldehyde group hanging हुए हैं. So if the carbon is not numbered, then aldehyde group will be called formyl. Remember, I told you that aldehyde can be called formyl when the carbon is not numbered, doesn't come in the principal carbon chain. So now such a situation has come. So in for CHO we write formyl. So 4 formyl, 2 ethyl hex. ए नहीं रहेगा, बीच में कोई डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है, ए नहीं, ई कटेगा, ऑयल क्लोराइड. सो हो गया हेक्सानोइल क्लोराइड. 1 ऑयल को ही नहीं लिखता है, हेक्सानोइल क्लोराइड. नाउ लेट अस राइट डाउन दिस वन. यू एंड मी टुगेदर. यू कैन pause the video and write of your own and tally whether it comes correct or not. This has 2 type C groups, a ketone and an alcohol. And out of the ketone and alcohol competition, the hero is ketone. So this becomes a child. So here, since one is the hero, ketone is the hero, the one, which is the secondary suffix, will get the lower locant. So we should give the own locant lower. Therefore we start from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So इसका नाम क्या होगा? So 2 में क्लोरो है, 4 में ब्रोमो है, 6 में क्या है? हाइड्रोक्सी. Hero is now chosen to be own. Here the hero was the other one. Here it was oxo. It was not the hero. But here it is a hero, own. It is the title, you know. The primary, secondary suffix own will come here. Now we write like this. So this will be alphabetical ordering. Bromo will come first. 4 bromo, 2 chloro, then 6 hydroxy, 6 hydroxy, all branches are over. Then the word root is hept. Then there is a in at the 5th position, 5 in, and e katega hyphen 3 own. You have to write the locant of own. बिकॉज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का इसका डेरिवेटिव्स हमेशा 1 होता है. इसको आप ड्रॉप कर सकते हो, ये आपका ऑप्शन है. लेकिन यहाँ आपका कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. यू हैव टू राइट द लोकेंट ऑफ ओ. 5 इन 3 ओन, राइट. सो द सीनियर मोस्ट functional group is the hero and others are 0, and that should get the lower locant. Now this one I have done for you. This is once again acid chloride. Same, but here I have reduced the chain length. 1, 2, 3, 4, either be 5, either be 5. So when there is such a situation, when the length is same, then you have to include the other functional group. You have to ignore simple carbon, but this carbon is bonded to is present as a functional group. So since this carbon gets the numbering, it will not be called formyl. This is a formyl. This is ethyl. But here the main trunk of the tree, mother, comes up to this. Up to this. This is the mother. So as a result, it will be oxo here. The double bond O, I told you for एल्डिहाइड भी ऑक्सो, कीटोन भी ऑक्सो, इधर एल्डिहाइड है कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन ये कार्बन क्योंकि ये मेन प्रिंसिपल चेन में आता है तो फॉर्मिल नहीं होगा, ऑक्सो होगा। सो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डरिंग 4 मिथाइल, 5 ऑक्सो पेंटानोइल क्लोराइड, ठीक है। सो लेट अस डू दिस, सॉल्व दिस। Out of, there is only one, fortunately there is only one functional group, but there is a double bond. अगर you follow some other videos and other books, you will find that the longest chain, the principal carbon chain will be in this way. Double bond has to be included in the principal carbon chain. Longest chain is not the norm. Double bond has to be honored, triple bond has to be honored. That was old rule, my dear. New rule is not saying to include double bond if still longer chain is available. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oct is the word root. And now this is a bivalent group. Can you tell me what suffix is written, is given to represent a bivalent group? Idene. Methyl, methylidene. Ethyl, ethylidene. Prop-2-enyl, prop-2-enylidene. Simply idene. ठीक है, तो you are getting 7 methyl, 5 methylidene, then octanoic acid. लेकिन we have to write first 7 methyl. क्यों? If the initial words between two branches are same, the initial words in two branches are same, then the shorter branch will be written first, the longer branch will be written second. So 7 methyl, 5 methylidene, or they will call methylidene. And this is no double bond, no triple bond. Simply I don't have much space, so I am coming down, but there is no space. There should not be any space given. Octanoic acid, and here there is a space before acid. But I tell you, for this compound you will be finding in other books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be isobutyl or 1-2-3-2 methyl propyl. So that is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, this is 2 methyl propyl or isobutyl, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex 5 in E drop हो जाएगा 1 oic acid, so we can punch it enoic acid 5. ठीक है, so 5 in between bracket 2 methyl propyl hex 5 enoic acid, they will call it, but I will not call it. I am saying pin. What is pin? Preferred IUPAC name. This is the old name. अभी भी आपको दिखाई देगा किताबों और in different videos. ठीक है, now let us proceed. This is a very interesting rule for multifunctional group. If cyanide is a lower ranking type C group in a molecule, lower ranking, इससे भी सीनियर ग्रुप है, तब साइनाइड ग्रुप कभी भी प्रिंसिपल कार्बन चेन में नहीं आता है. It is used as a suffix, as a prefix, as a branch. Even if it can be included in the same continuous carbon chain, but रुक जाना पड़ेगा before that, it will be treated as a branch. For example, carboxylic acid group is there and cyanide group is there, but senior group is carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4. यहीं पर आपको रुकना है. साइनाइड कार्बन कभी भी नंबर नहीं पाएगा if it is a junior group. So this will be called cyano, and the word root will be but, not pent. Remember, 4 cyano, 2 methyl, butanoic acid. Right? Similarly, this is an ester, C double bond O, O, and this alkyl group will be written first. Alkyl, alkanoate. Alkyl, then children of alkanoate, then alkanoate. Now, how to write this? 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. This is butan to il. Il का locant अगर 1 नहीं होगा, 2 या 3 is not 1, then एनी का ई के बदले में इल आएगा, ब्यूटान टू इल. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल, और ओल्ड नेमिंग इज 1 मिथाइल प्रोपाइल. लेकिन मैं तो पिन वाला हूं ना, पिन वाला. पिन क्या है? प्रीफर्ड आईयूपीएसी नेम. सो ब्यूटान टू इल, सिंस इट इज ए कॉम्प्लेक्स ब्रांच, you put it inside a bracket even if there is no coefficient, there is no locant. Now this alkyl will come first, then the child. Only one child is there. Cyano will never get. Cyanide has a lower rank than ester. It comes much later. If you have a look to the ranks, you will find cyanide comes, this is ester, 3rd rank. Cyanide comes in the 6th, 7th rank. So cyano comes here, 5 cyano, then 2 methyl alkanoate. This is alkanoate, hexanoate. ठीक है, बीच में कोई डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है तो AN आएगा, नॉट EN, hexanoate. Now let's go for polyenes, polyvines, envines, polyenes, polyvines and envines. If multiple double bond, multiple triple bond, double bond, triple bond, if they are there, let me tell you, en and vine, they enjoy same seniority. Not anyone is senior over any other. En and vine, they enjoy the same rank. But when the locants are same on either side, then en gets the precedence. Otherwise, en and vine, their locants, the set of locants for en and vine should be lower. For example, here we see there are 2 double bonds. So we have to start from left to right, so that the locants of ens should be lower, set 1 and then 4. यहाँ से राइट से लेफ्ट को हम नंबरिंग करते तो 2, 5 होता. So here 1 and 4. You have to look to first the set of locants for ens. Then if they tally, you look for the branch का जो है set of locants, that आपको देखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन पहले en का set. Therefore, this will be hexa. Remember, if there is di, tri, a consonant sound, letter, di, tri, tetra, in the primary suffix, so pocket से एक a लाना पड़ेगा, word root के साथ suffix किया जाएगा, so hexa. So 3-methyl hexa 1,4-diene. In old books, in old naming, they write 1,4-hexadiene. 1,4 they write before the word root, but that is wrong according to the new rule. I told you, I promised you, I could not keep my promise of completing in 1 hour the entire thing. That became 2 parts. I'm sorry for that once again. Now see, there are 2 double bonds here, but you have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here agar start karte 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is yes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में आता. यहाँ 1, 2, 3, 4 में आ रहा है. तो यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is not seen, right? So this is undecane. You know, when there is 11, the word root is undecane. ठीक है? And this is methyl, this is methyl, this is ethyl. So 5 ethyl, 7. I'm sorry, this is not 7. There is a mistake. 8, 10. 8, 10. 8, 10 dimethyl ondeca. A will come from the pocket. Undecadiene. Undeca 4, 6 diene. ठीक है? Similarly, here there is a double bond and triple bond. Now, triple bond and double bond, they enjoy the same seniority. So, since triple bond is getting 1, locant 1, इस तरफ double bond 2 पाता, इसीलिए we have to start from the right to left. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. लेकिन लिखने के टाइम में इन पहले लिखा जाएगा, इसके बाद wine. So, this will be 4. This is propan-2-will. This should be propan-2-will. I have unfortunately given a trivial name, a traditional name which is acceptable. Don't worry. Propan-2-will is the, dash. 4 propan-2-will, then 6 methyl, 3 propyl, CS2, CS2, CS3, 3 propyl, then hept, word root is hept, 5 इन पहले लिखा जाएगा इसका लोकंट के साथ पाइपीन, एंड दिस ई ड्रॉप आउट होगा क्योंकि y is considered as a vowel sound. So 1 wine. ठीक है? But if the two have, the locants, they tie, they become same on either side, then in will get the lower locant. So this is but 1 in 3 wine, not but 3 in 1 wine. No, only when the set of locants for in and wine are same, they tie, then in gets the precedence. Similarly here 1, 3, 5, here also 1, 3, 5, but in will get the precedence. So hexa, why A? Because diene, there are 2 ins. Hexa 1, 3 diene, E katega 5 wine. Clear? How it is going? How are you feeling? Good? Very good. Then let us take up polyols. More than 1 OH groups. More than 1 amino group NH2, more than 1 keto group polyones, and 2 aldehyde on 2 terminal carbon atoms, diols, dioic acids, dioates, diamides, dioyl dichloride, dinitrile. So for such case, the rule says that even if the principal carbon chain may be shorter, but both the or all the identical functional groups should be borne by the principal carbon chain. Supposing there are 2 hydroxy groups, both enjoy the same seniority, so no one will be thrown out as a child. Both will be part and parcels of this principal carbon chain. So only in this situation, longest chain is not considered. If there is a longer chain than that, but the 2 OH groups have to be borne by the principal carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if we have a longer chain than 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we ignore this as a child, but take this as the principal carbon chain, but. Right? Why we go in this direction? 1, 2 में branch आता है, यहाँ 1, 2, 3 में आता है. So our direction of numbering, the lower set of locants for branch will come here, because fortunately the locants of all are identical, 1, 4 or 1, 4. Therefore, the branch will be taken into account. So this will be 2 butyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butyl, butane 1, 4 diol. Tell me why E is not cut? क्यों E को delete नहीं किया गया? It is because D is there, diol. Since ditri-tetra will be suffixed now, will be prefixed now to the secondary suffix. All is a secondary suffix. Ditri-tetra are the multiplying prefix. So now this ditri-tetra will be prefixed to the secondary suffix all or own sometimes, right? So E will be there, it will not be deleted. So 2-butyl butane 1,4-diol. Similarly, this is ethane, E rahega 1,2-diol. It is famously called ethylene glycol or simply glycol. Don't worry, we will be having a dedicated video session on trivial or traditional names. इसका भी logic होता है. Now the two OH groups should be a part and parcel of the principal longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can't take this as 1 because this is an internal carbon. I told you that if a carbon is bonded to more than one carbon atom, then it is an internal carbon. If it is bonded only to one carbon atom, then it is a terminal carbon. टर्मिनल कार्बन से शुरू होता है एक नंबरिंग शुरू होता है कि टर्मिनल कार्बन से खत्म होता है और एक टर्मिनल कार्बन में. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why not 1, 2, 3? Because here the locant of alls would have been higher. Here the locant set 2, 4 set is lower. इधर आता 3, 4, 5. 3, 5 आता इधर. So you have to first give the lower locant set to the functional groups. So the name will be 5-bromohexane because this is the longest chain carrying both the functional groups, identical functional groups. So 5-bromohexane 2,4-diol. This is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. You have to number 1, 2, 3 triol. You have to give. In the earlier books, you will find 1, 2, 3 propane triol. 1, 2, 3 were written before the word root prop. No, now propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Now let us do this. This keto group is appearing 2 times. It is a dione. The two enjoy the same status. So no one will be the child, no one will be the mother. Both belong to the mother, constitute the functional group, the suffix. So it will be dione. So let us write down. So the the principal carbon chain which is bearing both the keto groups is this, not this. If you go this, you ignore one keto group. This will mind. खपा हो जाएगा. तू जो है मैं भी वही हूँ. How you will be mother, I will be child? No. In that case, both will remain in the principal chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why not 1, 2, 3? Because 3 is higher, 2 is lower. So this is the direction. So this will be 3-ethyl, 5-methyl. Children khatam ho gaye. Then the word root is hex. Then you have in the chain there is no double bond, so An, E. E खत्म हो जाएगा, E रहेगा here, खत्म नहीं होगा क्योंकि डायोन है. So hexane E रहेगा. Then ओन का जो है locants 2, 4, 2, 4 - dione. It's very simple. Once you know the logic, then you can write down 3-ethyl, 5-methyl, hexane, 2,4-dione. किसी को भी छोड़ना नहीं. प्रिंसिपल प्राइमरी सफिक्स को भी आप छोड़ना मत. ये रहेगा. प्राइमरी सफिक्स कहां से आएगा? ये सेकेंडरी सफिक्स डबल हुआ है, डायोन. ट्रिपल होने से ट्रायोन एंड ऑल दैट. नाउ सी, दिस इज डायाल. टर्मिनली ऑकरिंग फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स can remain only 2 times. One terminal and the other terminal. So it will be dial, cannot be trial, right? Dial. Ethane E रहेगा क्योंकि D है. Ethane dial is also called oxalaldehyde in trivial language, traditional name. Propane dial 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. It is understood. 1, 4 लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ब्यूटेन डायाल का मतलब 1, 4 क्योंकि आल हमेशा टर्मिनल में होते हैं. अगर आप नहीं लिखोगे 1, 4, कोई भी समझ पाएगा इट इज 1, 4 डायल. इट इज कॉल्ड सक्सिनल्डिहाइड. नाउ दिस इज इथेन डाइओइक एसिड. ओइक एसिड दोनों, इट्स अ डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. डाइओइक, इथेन ई रहेगा, डाइओइक एसिड, इट्स कॉल्ड ऑक्सैलिक एसिड. दिस इज प्रोपेन डाइओइक एसिड. 1, 3 लिखना कोई जरूरत नहीं. This is butane dioic acid or succinic acid. This is malonic acid. This is pentane dioic acid. I have written in short format CH2 CH2 CH2. 3 बार नहीं लिखा मैंने CH2 ब्रैकेट 3 का मतलब CH2 CH2 CH2. इसको बोलते हैं ग्लूटारिक एसिड. And this is hexane dioic acid or adipic acid. Now, in the same way we did, the 2 carboxylic acid should be part and parcel of the principal carbon chain. So, कहाँ से शुरू होगा? जहाँ आपको मिलेगा ब्रांच पहले. So, 2 में मिलता है, यहाँ भी 2 में मिलता है, लेकिन यहाँ इथाइल है, यहाँ प्रोपान 2ईल है. So in such a tie, the alphabetically senior group will get the lower locant. So 2-ethyl, 4-propan-2-ईल, pentane ये रहेगा. डाइओइक एसिड 1,5-डाइओइक एसिड लिखने का कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. अगर लिखोगे आपको कोई भी समझेगा आप नासमझ हो, इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हो. लिखो, कोई गलत नहीं है, लेकिन लिखना कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज ए डाइएस्टर. इट विल बी कॉल्ड डाइओएट. ओएट इज द secondary suffix. So di will be suffixed to the secondary suffix, will be prefixed to the secondary suffix oate, dioate. Now alkyl will come first. There are 2 alkyl on either side, so this will be bis. Since this is a complex group propan 2ईल, so bis propan 2ईल पहले रहेगा, इसके बाद एक space. Then you have to start from here because the branch is coming first. 2-methyl, then this is pentane dioate E रहेगा, pentane dioate. It is a diester. So this is a diamide. So you have to include both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2-ethyl 5-methyl hexane diamide E रहेगा. डाइओइल डाइक्लोराइड. सो यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे 2-methyl, यहाँ से शुरू करते 3 आता. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो 3-ethyl 2-methyl पेंटेन ई रहेगा. डाइओइल डाइक्लोराइड. Dioil dichloride. Similarly, these are the 2 same nitrile, dinitrile. So यहाँ से शुरू करना पड़ेगा 2,4-dimethyl hexane dinitrile. ठीक है. Now we are almost at the last part. If 3 or more identical terminal groups are there, 3 aldehyde, 3 cyanide, 3 carboxylic acid, 3 ester, 3 amide. In such a case 1, if the third, जरूर 2 such groups, 2 तो जरूर आएंगे. एक प्रिंसिपल कार्बन चेन में 2 तो जरूर आएंगे, लेकिन थर्ड एक ही चेन में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि ये टर्मिनल अकरिंग कार्बन बेरिंग ग्रुप्स है. तो अगर थर्ड फंक्शनल ग्रुप is born by the principal chain or it is directly bonded to the principal carbon chain containing the other 2, in that case IUPAC says you do not take all the 3 identical functional groups to make the principal carbon chain. That is the word root. I repeat, in a molecule containing 3 identical terminal groups, type C groups like aldehyde, nitrile, carboxylic acid, ester, amide, if the third group is born by the principal carbon chain carrying the other 2 groups, then such groups are excluded to determine the principal carbon chain. They are named as alkane, tricarboxylic acid, tricarbaldehyde, tricarbonitrile, carbonyl trichloride, tricarboxylate. सब में का आएगा, कौवे का करेगा, का रहेगा क्योंकि that carbon is not numbered. And you remember in that suffix column, oic acid we have written carboxylic acid, oate tricarboxylate, amide tricarboxamide, aldehyde tricarbaldehyde. So that will come here. But And according to the lowest set of local rules for branches, you have to start the numbering of the alkane chain, because the rest part becomes an alkane. You number from the direction where you get the lower locants to these identical functional groups. Now part 2, if that third functional group is not directly bonded, it is insulated, दूर में है, एटलीस्ट एक कार्बन के अंतर है, फासला है एक कार्बन एटम, तो इन दैट केस it will not be treated like what I said. It will be named as usual, taking 2 terminal functional groups in the principal chain, numbering them, and the third one which is not directly bonded as a complex branch. देखिए क्या होता है आगे. Supposing I give this compound, there are 3 carboxylic acid. So if this, supposing you take as the principal chain, include these 3, 1 2 3 4, longest chain, 1 2 3 होता. So इस chain में this carboxylic acid is directly hanging. In such a situation, तीनों को आप अलग कर दीजिए, अलग कर दीजिए. ये तीनों प्रिंसिपल कार्बन चेन में वार्ड रूट में नहीं आएगा. दैट इज द रूल, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूं. सो देन द रिमेनिंग कार्बन एटम्स आर टू बी नंबर्ड 1 2 3 4 5 6. कहां से शुरू करेंगे? जहां से शुरू करने से दिस फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स विल गेट द लोअर लोकेंट. यहां एक में 2 कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप है, देन 2 में है. अगर यहां से शुरू करते 3 से शुरू होता. So we have to start the numbering from here, 1 2 3 4. So we will say butane, alkane, tricarboxylic acid, butane 1 1 2. You have to take the locants. कहाँ अटैच हुआ है alkane? alkane जो मदर में कहाँ अटैच हुआ है? अटैच हुआ है 2 कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड अटैच हुआ है कार्बन नंबर 1 में. So 1 1 2 tricarboxylic acid. So this carboxylic acid comes only because these carbon atoms are not included in the principal carbon chain, which will give you the name of the mother. Of course, it is there. In the title it is there, in the secondary suffix it is there. But not in the word root. Word root में नहीं आता है. That's the rule. Similarly, there are 3 aldehyde. And this the main, supposing this is the main chain 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4 5, this is the longest chain, and the third aldehyde group is directly bonded. So तीनों को आप भूलना पड़ेगा. I mean भूलना पड़ेगा मतलब you have to delink from the principal carbon chain. So it is only 1 2 3 symmetrical. So this is propane. E रहेगा क्योंकि T है तो E रहेगा. propane 1 2 3 tricarbaldehyde. ठीक है. इधर एस्टर, तीनों सेम एस्टर फंक्शन है, मिथाइल मिथाइल मिथाइल. सो इथाइल CH2CH3, ट्राइथाइल स्पेस पेंटेन 1 2 3 ट्राइकार्बोक्सिलेट ester. Then cyanide 3 times. This is the main chain which can accommodate 2 at least, and at best, I'm sorry. Then the third one is directly bonded. Then तीनों कट जाएंगे. कट जाएगा मतलब you delink. The main chain will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the main carbon chain. Hexane. यहाँ से शुरू करते 1 2 3 में पहले पड़ता cyanide. So यहाँ से शुरू किया हमने 1 2 3 4 5 6. So and 2 methyl pentane, I'm sorry, hexane, 2 methyl hexane, 1 3 4 tricarbonitrile, 2 methyl hexane, 1 3 4 tricarbonitrile. In the same manner, now see, it's a very interesting compound. There is only 1 carbon and acid chloride, oil chlorides are bonded, so there will be no oil chloride here. All of them belong, connected to the same carbon. So तीनों अलग हो जाएंगे. So only 1 carbon means methane, ये रहेगा. Then tricarbonyl trichloride. कौवे का करेगा, methane tricarbonyl trichloride. Similarly, 3-carboxylic acid is joined to a 1 carbon atom. So this will not be called 2-carboxypropane dioic acid. No, IUPAC rule को मानना पड़ेगा. So this will be methane. 111 लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं. It is understood. Methane tricarboxylic acid. ठीक है, methane tricarboxylic acid. Now we have to say that if the 3rd carboxylic acid or identical functional group is insulated, it is at least 1 carbon atom away from the principal carbon chain, then the usual way. For example, here the longest chain is 7, which accommodates 2 as usual, dioic acid. Now this one is not directly bonded to the same chain, it is insulated, there is a CH2 here. Then in the usual manner it is heptane dioic acid, but this will be called a complex branch, 1 dash, and carboxyl is never numbered, it is 1 carboxy or simply carboxymethyl, because the principal group is methyl and the sub branch is carboxy, so this will be called carboxymethyl. If there are 2 carbon atoms, then numbering is required. If there is only 1 carbon atom, methyl, then carboxymethyl. So that is bonded to the principal chain at 4 carboxymethyl. It should be in a parenthesis because it is a complex branch. Then heptane dioic acid. Similarly, you take any direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is the longest and this cyanide is not directly attached to the principal chain. So this will be called cyanomethyl. So 3 cyanomethyl, 2 methyl, pentane dinitrile in the old manner. Similarly, here also this is 2-oxo. Here you have to number 1 dash, 2 dash. So this is oxo, 2-oxoethyl. We have done it in the previous video. If you haven't seen, then please go through or watch the first video. If you are watching second video straight away. This is 2-oxoethyl, that is the complex branch attached to carbon number 3. So 2-methyl, 2-oxoethyl, this is hexane diol in the old manner. Now, to end this part, let me tell you that in an acyclic open chain compound, you may have some branch which is cyclic, but it will be named as acyclic. I tell you the rule. Although the detailed discussion, विस्तृत जानकारी आपको मिलेगा पार्ट 2 में साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स में, लेकिन अभी मैं थोड़ा सा रूल्स बता देता हूं. अगर टाइप सी, कोई टाइप सी ग्रुप is present at least 1 carbon atom away from the ring, then it will be named as acyclic. The same way we were doing so far, and this group will be called cyclopropyl, cyclobutyl, cyclohexyl, phenyl, and so on. And there is another group I forgot to tell you. Let me tell you for your benefit. That is another hanging group, is very popular group. You will know many more things. That is called, CH2 PH. That is CH2 and there is a benzene ring. This may appear as a very important hanging group. That is called benzyl. Right? So let us come to the end of our program here. So I repeat, if a type C group is insulated from any ring, then it is named as acyclic. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 cyclopropyl, 2 methyl, hex 4ene, E कटेगा, 1 oic acid लिखा नहीं जाता है, 4 enoic acid. As usual, this will be simply cyclopropyl. But if the type C group is directly bonded to a ring, then it will be named as a cycloalkane or as a cyclic compound, जिसका total discussion होगा next. For example, this won't be called cyclopentanoic acid. No. This carbon won't be given any number. This will be called cyclopentane carboxylic acid. You remember the logic? If this carbon is not numbered, then it will be called carboxylic acid. So cyclopentane carboxylic acid, right? But if there is no type C group, only carbon chain bonded to a ring, and it may contain a type A group having no seniority like nitro, alkoxy, chlorobromoiodo, then also it will be named as a cyclic compound. But in old system, they were naming as aliphatic compound or a cyclic compound. But in new name, if there is no type C functional group out of the 12 in the molecule, nowhere, then only carbon chain is attached to a ring and along with maybe some type A groups, then it will be named as cyclic compound. For example, this is cyclohexane. The name of the mother will be cyclohexane, not cyclohexyl. Now the actual name will be, this is a monovalent group and 1-methoxy prop 1-ene-1-yle, prop 1-enyl. So 1-methoxy prop 1-enyl will be the name of this entire complex branch, cyclohexane. But आपको ओल्ड रूल में किताब में मिलेगा क्या? 1 2 3 1 cyclohexyl, 1 methoxy, prop 1-ene. दिस इज prop 1-ene. ये गलत है अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, बट कोई बात नहीं, एक स्ट्रक्चर का सेवरल नेम्स हो सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू ओल्ड रूल, वेरी ओल्ड रूल. बट पिन, हमें पिन से मतलब है. सो पिन इज दिस. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द कंडेंस फॉर्मूला. There is another way to make the formula a little more condensed, just putting parenthesis, no bond between carbon-carbon, but all groups will be there, but they will be put inside parenthesis. Now the groups which are inside parenthesis, supposing CH3O3, इसका मतलब है 3 methyl groups are bonded to the carbon which is adjacent to the bracket. So this carbon के साथ independently तीनों मिथाइल attached है. Then CH. Then this bracket का मतलब it is hanging onto the carbon which is adjacent to it, either to the left or to the right. So this methyl is hanging to this CH. Then another CH. This OH is hanging onto this carbon. Then CH. Then this methoxy is hanging to this carbon, CH. Then C double bond O. Then CH2, then this is COOH. This cannot be ether, because if you write CO, that means in the main same chain you will be putting O, then carbon will not be satisfying its valency. So this is C double bond O. आपको पता चल जाएगा हाइड्रोजन O जरूर दिया होगा. कंडेंस फॉर्मूला में हाइड्रोजन दिया होता है, इससे पता चलेगा वेदर ये ईथर है या कीटोन है. कैन यू नेम दिस कॉम्पाउंड? It's very simple. Out of there is only 2 type C groups, carboxylic acid and ketone. So this is the hero. So all others are 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is a alkyl branch, methyl, 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 hydroxy, methoxy, oxo. So how to arrange in alphabetic order? This will be hydroxy first. 5 hydroxy, right? Then methoxy, methyl, oxo. So 4 methoxy, right? Then 6 7 7 6 7 7 trimethyl. All branches are over. Then comes word root, oct. Then बीच में कोई डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है, तो प्राइमरी सफिक्स होगा एनी, लेकिन ओइक एसिड ओ होता है, सो ई कट जाएगा, सो ऑक्टानोइक एसिड, राइट? सो 5 हाइड्रोक्सी, 4 मिथॉक्सी. Oh, I am so sorry. 1 oxo we have missed. That is another branch. 3 oxo. नो, मिथाइल के बाद ऑक्सो आता है, MnO. So this will be as usual 677 trimethyl. Then we have missed another branch, that is oxo branch, 3-oxo, because one is 0, the other ones are 0. This carbon is numbered, so it cannot be one, it will be oxo-octanoic acid. ठीक है? So in this way, let us take up. I told you, you will answer one question from IIT, one question for AIMS. I could not find the year, doesn't matter. So this is very simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if दोनों तरफ 7 आता है तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप जरूर रहेगा ही रहेगा प्रिंसिपल कार्बन चेन में. अगर ये इससे ज़्यादा होता तो अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यू रूल यू हैव टू गो दिस वे, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Double bond is taken as precedence, and this is thrown as a alkynyl group. But here the chain length is same. So in this case 1 and 6. Definitely 1 6 1 6. So ene will get the precedence. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 4 propyl, CH2 CH2 CH3, 5 methyl, 3 methyl. Then this is hept, 1 ene, 6 wine. Let us write down that. ठीक है? So this is 4 ethyl, 5 methyl. Sorry. 4. This is 3 5 dimethyl. Then all children over. Then the word root is hept. Then there will be no A because there is no dientrine, only 1 ene and 1 ene. So 1 ene, this E will be dropped, deleted, 6 wine. ठीक है? It's very simple. Now out of the 3 functional groups, nitrile, aldehyde and ketone, can you tell me which one is the senior most? Do you remember? If you are a newcomer, I'm sorry, you might not have remembered. If you are a revisioner, class 12 student, yes, cyanide is senior than aldehyde. So this carbon will get number 1. Then the longest chain, 1 2 3 4 5. So since aldehyde carbon is not getting a number, it doesn't belong to the principal carbon chain, then tell me what will be its prefix name? Yes, tell me. बोलिए. ये है formyl. So this is oxo, this is formyl, and that is nothing, nitrile. So पहले आएगा 2 formyl, 3 oxo, then pentane, no space, pentane E रहेगा क्योंकि consonant है, 1 nitrile लिखना कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, pentane nitrile. Thus we conclude part 1. Unfortunately in 2 sessions. But in the description box, I have given you details of every individual compound with one single functional group, the rules, and the different ways how to name the alkyl groups, complex alkyl groups, particularly complex alkyl groups, all in extensive details. आपको मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. एंड मोर नंबर ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. आई हैड टू कट डाउन मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स टू सेव टाइम. You also look to that, and at the end you will find so many practice questions. आपको मिलेगा बहुत सारे practice question आप करोगे, खुद करोगे, and I have also given the solutions. इसके साथ matching करोगे, and you will see you will be 100% strong in IUPAC nomenclature. And इसके बाद आप इंतजार कीजिए cyclic compounds, aromatic, aliphatic, alicyclic. Alicyclic, aromatic, and all types of bicyclic, all types of spiro, all types of cyclic compounds will have one session. Next, it's coming next. So this is SST Chemistry channel. This is SS Tripathi welcoming you with my 40+ years of teaching to IIT aspirants. I have given this part 1. You give your feedback, like, if you have enjoyed, and obviously if you have not a subscriber, do subscribe. Bye bye, take care.